Bullish AVAX value forecast is $29.17 to $83.28. Avalanche cost could likewise reach $40 soon. Bearish AVAX cost expectation for 2022 is $15.91. In torrential slide cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about AVAX to break down the future development of the digital currency. Torrential slide current market status. The cost of torrential slide is $17.20 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $156,505,938 at the hour of composing. In any case, AVAX has expanded by almost 0.8% as of now. Besides, torrential slide has a flowing stockpile of 295,921,640 AVAX. Torrential slide exchanges digital money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, FTX, KuCoin, Whitebit, and Huobi worldwide. What is torrential slide? Torrential slide is the local cryptographic money of the Torrential Slide organization. AVAX was sent off in 2020. Torrential slide is an open-source decentralized blockchain for making dApps and altered blockchains. It is prominently known as the winter-themed biological system that holds AVAX, the red coin. AVAX tokens have three essential use cases. First and foremost, they act as the exchange charge. They act as the principal unit for all torrential slide subnets. In addition, clients can stake AVAX and acquire these tokens as remunerations. Torrential slide contains three interoperable blockchains with particular functionalities and numerous subnets. The trade chain handles the exchanging exercises. The agreement chain implied for making dApps. The stage chain, implied for approving exchanges and keeping up with subnets. Torrential slide agreement convention is particular. It isn't totally founded on the evidence of work or verification of stake. It works with a coordinated non-cyclic chart-enhanced agreement. Remarkably, the Snowman Convention, a piece of the Torrential Slide Agreement Convention, worth focusing on and implied for block creation. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2022. The above diagram of torrential slide spread out a plunging channel design, otherwise called the falling channel. A plunging channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. Presently, torrential slide is in the scope of $17.28. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of a VAX could arrive at the obstruction levels of $23.86. $30.27 and $40.38. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of a VAX might tumble to $17.39. The diagrams show that torrential slide has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, AVAX could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $83.28. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of torrential slide could plunge to nearly $15.91, a negative sign. Torrential slide value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of torrential slide is displayed in the diagram underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of a VAX lies beneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of torrential slide is displayed in the graph above. Eminently, torrential slide cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, AVAX has entered a negative state. In this manner, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of a VAX whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record of the AVAX is 42.28. This implies that torrential slide is in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of a VAX might happen in the impending days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Torrential slide value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of torrential slide. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of torrential slide. As of now, the ADX of a VAX lies in the scope of 14.80 and subsequently, it demonstrates a powerless pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the general instability record of torrential slide. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of a VAX lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of torrential slide is at 42.28, in this way affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of a VAX with BTC. ATH. The underneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and torrential slide. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of a VAX is like BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of a VAX likewise increments or diminishes individually. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, torrential slide could presumably accomplish $45 by 2023. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. With a few updates in the organization, torrential slide could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, AVAX could energize to hit $50 by 2024. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. If torrential slide supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, AVAX would revitalize to hit $55. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. On the off chance that torrential slide supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, AVAX would mobilize to hit $60. Torrential slide value expectation 2027. On the off chance that torrential slide supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, AVAX would energize to hit $65. Torrential slide value forecast 2028. Torrential slide holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, AVAX would hit $70 in 2028. Torrential slide value expectation 2029. Assuming that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on torrential slide, it would observe significant spikes. AVAX could hit $75 by 2029. Torrential slide value forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the torrential slide biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into AVAX for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, torrential slide could hit $80 by 2030. And, with consistent enhancements in the torrential slide organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for a VAX. Hence, the bullish value forecast of torrential slide in 2022 is $83.28. Then again, the negative value expectation of torrential slide cost expectation for 2022 is $15.91. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the torrential slide environment, the exhibition of a VAX would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $144.96 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $40 assuming that the financial backers accept that a VAX is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is torrential slide? Torrential slide is the local cryptographic money of the torrential slide organization. AVAX was sent off in 2020. Torrential slide is an open-source decentralized blockchain for making dApps and redid blockchains. 2. Where might you at any point buy torrential slide? Torrential slide